At this form, you can enable or disable locations for the new schedules experience in order to have them displayed for the end user. In order to get to this form, you need to go to the OpenY settings, GroupEx Pro enabled locations. On this form, you should see a list of locations available in GroupEx, and just simple checkbox on off to enable disable syncer that will be pulling on not pulling classes for specific locations. Once it's enabled or disabled, that location will appear or disappear on Y schedules locations. In order to have access to this form, you need to be admin user on the site. Thank you.